Hello friends, good evening. Karthik Ramni here. Hope you're all doing good and safe and you're staying safe with the second wave of pandemic hitting us really hard. I'm outside my apartment. Every single day we're seeing a lot of businesses moving online. That opens up a huge opportunity to sell services to these businesses. Let it be a simple graphic design or an animated video, the demand is increasing every single day. While the demand for services is huge, what I noticed and witnesses is that agencies and service providers are still struggling to sell their services. They have a really beautiful landing page, nicely laid out portfolio, customer reviews, yet there is something which blocks them from getting clients. Instead of fixing the actual problem, they go ahead and spend on traffic, and yet they see no considerable or desirable increase in the number of clients. I've decided to fix this problem, and I've gone ahead and created what I call the Agency Studio. I'm super excited to invite you to take part in this launch, which is happening on 29th of May, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Agency Studio is a complete solution for anybody who is struggling to sell services. It changes the experience of a prospect landing on a page, and it takes them on a never seen before customer journey that will lead them to becoming a paying client and eventually turn them into repeat customers. So, what exactly is inside Agency Studio? We are in a fast world where people want everything instantly. So, let's give it to them instantly with Agency Studio. Agency Studio has a client management portal like a CMS where you can create videos that can be embedded in any page or an agency website. We're also giving away a agency website, pure HTML. When a potential prospect lands on this page, they can given the requirement, get their estimate, upload their source files if any, make the payment and place their service order without going back and forth with emails or phone calls. Everything happens right when your prospects are on the page. Guys, excuse the wind. It's really windy here. Plus, it's also got everything you need to manage these orders. Order management portal, making the customers fall in love with the experience, and it's going to make them come back for placing more orders. Well, that's not all. Guys, a lot of it. You need tools to provide services. That's why I've also included the latest version of my video tool, Cover Studio, using which your customers can instantly start creating influencer style videos like you see on this video. Just with the front end, your customers will be getting a client conversion engine called the Agency Studio and a tool that they can use to sell the services. Guys, I've made this a complete solution and a no-brainer offer. Plus, we have a congruent funnel that includes the pro version and advanced agency features and a template club as well. And we've done tons of brand new templates inside the Cover Studio. And we also have on-demand training upgrade. Guys, so we have everything. Also, we have $7,000 plus in JV prices and a huge opening contest and more exciting contests throughout the launch. Agency Studio will be essential for all your customers who's bought a product from you which has an agency angle. If your customers have purchased a product from you or anyone else, and if they can sell it as a service, then Agency Studio will prove to be one of the best investments they make all year. So make sure to be on this one and recommend a great tool that's gonna help your customers get more client. So all right guys, mark your calendars for 29th of May, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hoping to see you on the leaderboard. Cheers guys, thank you so much. I just completed my walk. Cheers, bye-bye.